Welcome back to the Pohlmans cooking series. I'm Ali and I have a really great episode in store for you. Side dishes are often so undervalued, but with such amazing produce like the ingredients we have here from Pohlmans today, they are transformed into part of the dish rather than an afterthought. With the popularity of side dishes growing as an accompaniment to steaks and at barbecues, while hosting guests or during Sunday roast night, side dishes should be new, delicious and seasonal. So today I'm going to show you two yummy salad dishes, perfect for summer night barbecues, your Christmas feast, or to take along to parties. Our first salad is a broad bean and fennel salad, and what we have here is some Pohlmans gourmet veggie super veg broad beans that we've freshly shucked, some sliced shallots, sliced fennel and lovely peppery rocket. So I'm going to put them all into a bowl and then I'll add the dressing. Now in goes our fennel, our shallots, peppery rocket and beautifully freshly shucked broad beans. And now to dress our salad, we have some flaked salt, some freshly cracked pepper and good fruity olive oil. And I'm going to use my hands to mix it. You might not be as messy as me. And look at all those colours, and doesn't that just scream freshness? Next we'll add our super fragrant Hidden Valley herbs, and here I have some lovely fresh mint, and what I love about this is you just pick it straight from the plant that's in your kitchen or on your planter box or in your garden. So we'll put that in, tear them up a little bit. The mint can be a bit rough, but the parsley I think we might chop up and make that a bit finer because this has quite a strong flavour. So I'll just give that a bit more of a chop. And add that in. And last of all, we're going to add a squeeze of lemon. Now the dressing for our beetroot salad is super easy. All we need is our good fruity olive oil. We'll have a fair old slug of that. Then we need the rind of some lemon, just a little bit. We can put it straight into our jar here because we're going to shake it all up and mix it together. And some rind of a lime. Then I'm going to cut the lime and squeeze some juice into the jar. And the same for the lemon. Just cut that as well. Followed by some cracked pepper, some salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. Now we put the lid on and shake it up and leave it to emulsify just for a little while we're getting the other things ready. The next step is to grill our halloumi cheese. I love this cheese. It's perfect to cook because it goes crunchy on the outside and gooey in the middle. So we'll cut sort of 1/2 to 1 centimetre pieces. And we'll pop these on a hot grill pan because we want to get those nice little black lines on them. Now let's arrange our beetroot salad. I'm wearing gloves because this is a messy process and I don't want to get stained fingers, but I do want to use my hands. So I'm just going to rummage these all together, mix them all up. Look at those fabulous colours. And now I'm going to pick some fresh mint. And we can tear these up roughly. Mix them all through. Finally, I'm going to put some pumpkin seeds, a big lovely handful of pumpkin seeds. Mix that all through. Okay, now it's time to top the salad with our halloumi. So I'll take these gloves off. It is beautifully grilled. Just arrange those slices on the top. They smell fantastic. Do. And finally, our dressing. Give it a good shake. Pour over the top. And here we have our two spectacular side dishes, so colourful and so full of flavour thanks to Hidden Valley Herbs. Side dishes don't need to be boring, so give these a go this summer entertaining season.